Welcome back to another video. So Tripo 3D, let's take a look over here. I received the following comment. So this is from Diponeco. As you can see, it's ready. They don't offer monthly payments, so basically it's very expensive unless you're working in the industrial studio where you constantly generate money as well. So over $500 to get in. So this was regarding my video about Tripo 3D plans. It's really weird that the user over here says that it's not offering monthly because currently I'm on a pro account. If I'm gonna go over here within the pricing we see over here, with the free account you can generate up to 8 models, but you will be limited, as you can see, to only one concurrent task. And also you will not have access to the extended segmentation or better texture. I'm over here on this one, so over here you can go between annually and monthly. As you can see, this is currently my plan. This will allow up to 10 concurrent tasks, multi-view to 3D, generate model into parts, also batch, and the overall speed will be better. We see over here top queue priority. Now you can also do various retries on same model. You can upload your model private because many users stated that this was the main problem initially. But we see over here, the next one will be max. As you can see over here, this will be a lot better. So we see from this amount of credit, so 3,000, it will go up to 25,000. Also, you will have access to 8K textures, which is really amazing. But yeah, you still do have the possibility to go over here within monthly. So it will be a better value, like we see over here. This will be billed annually, this will be the amount, and monthly this will be 20. So not sure exactly why Diponeco stated that they don't offer monthly, because they do. So I'm really curious if other are encounter problems with Tripo 3D pen over here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will prepare additional videos because there are some new entries within the 3D generative AI scene, and some of them are really amazing. And I will create some additional videos regarding this. So if you enjoy learning about 3D generative AI, you can consider to subscribe. You're gonna find over here a button on the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.